A recently unsealed deposition reveals exactly how Lady Gaga came to Kesha's defense after the TikTok singer sued music producer Dr. Luke in 2014 for allegedly drugging and raping her, as well as allegedly verbally and emotionally abusing her for a decade. Luke has vehemently denied those allegations, and up until Tuesday, it was unknown what Gaga had said in her September 2017 deposition. But according to documents obtained by People and first reported by The Blast, Gaga pushed back against Luke's group of lawyers and their line of questioning, telling one lawyer that she should be ashamed of herself. And when Gaga began her deposition, her lawyers reminded the group that Gaga herself was a sexual abuse survivor who suffers from PTSD. When Gaga began to cry, her lawyer announced that as a trigger event for the record. Now, Gaga then recalled meeting Kesha at Dr. Luke's studio, adding that at the time, Kesha was in the back wearing only underwear. And when asked what Kesha told her about the alleged abuse, Gaga replied, quote, "What I recall was her immense sadness and depression and fear. She was visibly very different than when I had seen her before." Luke's lawyers continued to ask about the accusations' effects on Dr. Luke's reputation, to which Gaga replied, quote, "I made my view of him and his reputation when I saw her in that back room. That was an image of something that happened to me, and I felt and knew in my heart that she was telling the truth, and I believe her." That's Gaga's quote. Luke's lawyer then asserted that Gaga had no personal knowledge or information on the alleged abuse, to which Gaga responded, "Yes, I do have knowledge. She told me he assaulted her." She later said, "When men assault women, they don't invite people over to watch as witnesses." And she continued saying, "When this happens in this industry, it is kept extremely secret and is compounded by contracts and manipulative power scenarios that actually include this very situation that we are all in right now." Again, that was Gaga's quote. In a statement to People on Wednesday, Dr. Luke's team, his legal team, and attorney Christine LaPera responded to Lady Gaga's deposition becoming public. They said, "Being passionate about a topic that concerns us all is admirable. However, Lady Gaga has no knowledge of what happened on the night at issue because she was not there." Gaga was deposed to speak in the ongoing Dr. Luke-Kesha legal battle because of text messages recovered between her and Kesha. Now, those messages leaked in June of 2018. After Kesha's initial 2014 lawsuit, Luke countersued Kesha for a breach of contract and defamation. In 2016, a judge dismissed Kesha's abuse claims, but the legal battle continues. There is a lot to unpack there. You can check it all out on People.com.